what's happening, everyone? I'm just going to go over a few trades from today. We'll start with PTPI. As you can see, the 1 year. It's just basically kind of a first green day bounce. It's just been chopping around, and it's got really nice, wicks, nice long candles, so I know it can move. Resistance up here in the mid threes, mid to high threes. And we'll dive into the 1 day. So it came and had this nice morning run. Actually, let me see. So I had this nice morning run, pulled back under VWAP, and then had a nice uptrend. And so I was taking some in here when it held 3. And just looking for a test of high of day, and it had this quick washout and stopped me out. And so what I realized was usually the first bounce back above VWAP usually is like a fake out, and it has like this little crack, and then it makes the move. So it was just a little early. It did break high of day just barely, but that's really what I was just aiming for, was from low 3s to around 330. So I would have taken my snipe there. It was, like I said, just a little too early. Should have waited for this and then wait for the confirmation, buying here in the higher lows, selling into the push. So a little learning lesson there today. The other one was PTPI. Sorry, that's already PTPI. AVCT. Just took a couple small losses in here. Got chopped around. This candle stopped me out, and then it popped right back, so I bought some more and then ended up stopping out. And then it had a really nice, and this is where I say, like, it always has some kind of fake out to where I should have been patient, waited for the pullback. Once it made a higher low, held VWAP really nicely, and then perked back through. I could see this being a trade here. Other than that, it just kind of downtrended, except for here, downtrended. Then you get the trend reversal, it holds. And this was just a second green day continuation from yesterday. So it was a really nice open price play in the morning, and you get the perk through, which is, let me see. Oh, pre-market high, or yesterday's after hours high. Okay. I was like, what is this line? So yeah, once it perked through, it had a really nice squeeze, held VWAP, squeezed through pre-market highs, or yesterday's afternoon highs, after hours highs, sorry. It was consolidating really nicely. That's where I got chopped around. Had a quick fake breakdown and then squeezed shorts. So just a little too early on this as well. And like I said, it was a really nice open price play in the morning. You get a nice spike, tests yesterday's after hours highs, pulls back, holds VWAP, confirms, breaks, so pretty nice. And then the last one of the day was SGMA. And so SGMA had a really nice, higher low off VWAP here, or even a VWAP break. In the morning, midday, which led to this really nice run up, even that high of day break. So it came up and tested the breakout level, and so I was weary because it was up a lot, up a lot, testing that breakout level. It's really not up that much. It's only up 80% right now, and that's at its highs. So it really wasn't up too much. But still, it was just a nice, huge green candle. Just made me a little nervous. But I was watching it. I watched it come up here and basically test, and it was right here below the breakout level. I ended up taking 100 shares in here and cut it at 12. I think I got in at like 12.10 or something like that. Cut it at 12, play it safe. Had this little dip, and it curled back right away. and started to perk towards the highs. I actually took larger size and took 300 shares at 12.20. I sold half here at like 12 in the 1250s when it was testing, just in case. You know, it's stuffed here. I wanted to sell, you know, at least half, lock some in. Sold a quarter in the 1280s and then sold the rest at 13, just for a small win. And that put me green on the day. I actually made 137 on this. I lost 40 on AVCT, taking those two losses in that midday chop. And then $30 on PTPI. I got a shitty stop loss. And then it, you know, it had the crack here. I was watching it, had the crack, held view up really nicely, made this higher low. I was watching it like a hawk in here. Was thinking about taking some in the 1230s, decided not to, just in case it, you know, it stuffed and then crashed right back down. You know, I just wanted to sit on my hands and just really kind of protect my gains from earlier. Didn't really want to give anything back. Got, you know, just scared. And I wanted 100 shares. I brought it down to 50. It's like, all right, just $500 position. You know, we'll have a tight risk, and this could have nice potential because it's got a lot of shorts sucked into it, and it just blew past, and I just completely missed it. Was watching it in here, thought maybe a position here at 14. You know, when it was kind of failing to break down here. And still just sat on my hands. Now we're touching, we're almost at 18 right now, which is looking pretty good. So we're getting that nice late day squeeze. So pretty good, pretty decent momentum today. Not a whole lot going on, but definitely have a couple plays that you could take advantage of. So not a terrible day. Just need to cut out some of those midday losses. What's been happening to me the past couple of days, just taking some morning, midday losses and then making it back in the afternoon. So just got to work on that. Really wish I had an entry here. That was a really nice squeeze. So that's basically it. I'm just going to keep this one short. I really hope it made sense, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Later.